Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute heart lollipop. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing a big heart shape. This will be the top of our lollipop.
Wow!
Great job! Now, let's draw the handle of the lollipop. Wonderful! Our lollipop is taking shape. Next, let's give our heart some personality by drawing cute eyes and a smiling mouth.
Cool!
So cute! Now, let's add 4 small hearts around our lollipop to make it even more adorable.
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at how nicely our heart lollipop is dancing. Now it's time to color. We'll use different colors to make our heart lollipop vibrant. Let's start with blue color for the handle. Next, let's use pink color for the heart. Finally, let's use yellow color for the small hearts. Whoa! Our heart lollipop looks so colorful and fun. Great job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored heart lollipop. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.